What's up, guys, and welcome to Social Superstar. My name is Hannah, and today I'm doing something very exciting. But before I get started, I want you guys to go down there and smash that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. And turn on the post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let the fun begin. So guys, did you know that no word rhymes with orange? Isn't that weird? Orange had no rhyming word. I've been looking through my dictionary and I couldn't find one. Do comment below and let me know if you can find a word that actually does rhyme with orange. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Social Superstar. And now let's move on to our next segment, Star Talkies. Hey friends, and welcome to Star Talkies. Acting is something I want to explore in the future. However, acting isn't so easy. I have here a fantastic actor who's great in different styles of acting. Let's welcome none other than Sanam Jung. Hi Sanam auntie.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
You're fantastic.
Thank you.
What a nice introduction.
So Sanam auntie, would you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Myself? Do they even know me? I think you're a bigger star than me. Hi guys, I'm Hannah's Dee's friend and my name is Sanam, and my daughter has played with Hannah's toys also. You remember Hannah? Yeah, that's my introduction. Just a little one, you know. You're a bigger star.
Okay, so I have questions planned for you.
Oh God, I'm very nervous. Should we move on?
Yeah?
Alright, give me a high five. Let's go. No?
So Sanam auntie, how did you get into acting? Did you watch a lot of movies and dramas as a child?
Well, I did watch a lot of cartoons, but it was all by luck. You know, I was studying. I was in university, and one of my friends called me for an audition, for a VJing audition. And I said, no, I can't do this. I can't face the camera. I'm not used to it. And then slowly I started VJing, and then I got a call. Once I was done with my MBA, then I got a call for acting, and I said, acting is definitely not my piece of cake. I cannot act at all. But then I just cleared the audition and here I am.
Then you did dramas and even hosted talk shows.
Yes.
So how's the whole experience like?
Ooh, dude, wow. That's like a long journey. You just took me back all the way. You know, I used to be very nervous. Up till now, whenever I go on the stage and I have to host a big show like the Hum Awards, there's so many people right in front of me. Behind the stage, backstage, I'm like, oh my God, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, let's do it, Sanam. So I have to, you know, like motivate myself, just like a mother tells you, hey, it's okay, get all the energy. So I'm at the back, I'm like, Allah Mia, give me some energy. So yeah, I always get nervous, and I think that's just very normal.
Yeah.
So it's been a great experience, and I've learned a lot of things. I've made a lot of mistakes, but that's how you learn, right?
Yeah. So Sanam auntie, what is the feeling like when you receive an award?
Yeah, that's exactly how I feel. Completely blank. Oh. But you know, I think I've received 4 awards or 3 awards. I'm not too sure, but I've never worked for an award. I've always just worked and, you know, I've done it and let's move on. And I've only attended award shows because I've been hosting them. And I never thought I'd receive one, but every time I did, I was like, what? Did they just call my name? Really? Wow, okay. So I was always nervous, and I was just, I never prepared myself for that. You know that speech everybody gives, they're always prepared. I'd never expected that I'd get an award, so I'd never be prepared.
Being blank.
Yeah, being blank.
What is your favorite thing about your career?
That I get to connect with people. I get to talk to people through the lens. That's my favorite thing. And you know, when I was doing a live show, the best part was that I would connect to the audience and I would get instant response. And when I go out for shopping, there's so many people who come to me, who love me, who pray for me. I think that is the bestest thing.
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and they'll be praying for you too now.
Most of the time you must be busy. So how do you like spending your Sunday?
How do I spend my Sundays?
Sunday.
Fun day. I come over to your house sometimes. So mostly I spend my Sundays with my daughter, with my family, and I try to, take her out. And, during this whole time, she's been missing on so many play dates. So I try just to entertain her. That's what we do. We go out, eat, ice creams, a little bit of shopping, parks, and mostly we sleep a lot.
Yeah, I like to sleep on the weekend.
I know.
If given a chance, what character would you like to play in a movie? A Disney movie.
A Disney movie, oh my god, that is so exciting. That's a really fun question, by the way. Let me think. Who is my favorite? How about The Little Mermaid? Ariel.
Yeah.
Yeah? She's really cool.
My cousin, she is crazy about Little Mermaid.
Really?
Yeah. She has Little Mermaid, I think slippers and a lot of Little Mermaid stuff. So she loves mermaids.
What about you?
Yeah. But if I were given a chance to play a character in a movie, I would rather play Jasmine from Aladdin.
Beautiful. I love her clothes. And the long braid. Beautiful hair.
No, that's Rapunzel.
No. Jasmine has long
Yeah,
hair
Jasmine
too.
also has long hair, but not.
But Rapunzel is, longer than Jasmine.
Now it's time for my favorite part, Sanam Auntie. Let's move on to the rapid fire.
I'm scared, man. You didn't show me the questions, Hannah.
I did.
What is this? I'm not just a guest. You know me from before. Should have shown me the questions, but it's okay. No? Host is the boss.
I think it would be much fun and surprising for you.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. If a genie gives you 3 wishes, what would they be?
Okay, what would they be? That's a very difficult question. Let me just think about the wishes. I would want to lose weight without working out.
Yeah,
The first one. I would want to eat a lot and not gain weight. And I would want to go for a big vacation.
That would be very fun, actually. Yeah. My 3 wishes would be to go on a world tour,
Nice.
to hit 10,000 subscribers.
So how do we do that? Tell me.
We go down there and smash that subscribe button.
Like that or like that?
Like that.
Like that, we subscribe it and we like it?
Yeah.
And what's the name of your page, channel?
Social Superstar.
Social Superstar. Guys, subscribe right now.
And the third wish actually, would be, let me see.
Lots of chocolates?
Actually, yes.
Not studying for the exam and passing them?
Oh my god, for homework to be the easiest.
I know. Tell me about
To
it.
have a private servant to do my homework.
Ah.
Okay, one thing that must be in your bag.
That must be in my bag. And it's always in my bag.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is my lip and cheek tint.
That is?
The lip tint,
Oh yeah.
the cheek stain. Yeah, maybe your Dee has it.
I think my mom has it.
Yeah.
And something that would be in my bag, like I don't really carry a bag, but if I go to my friend's house or to birthday parties, I would usually carry a lip gloss in my bag because that's a must.
And looks really
because
nice on
my lips get chapped.
One more thing, a charger, because my battery is always dead and I'm always low on battery, so I always have a charger with me.
Yeah. When you were a kid, did you eat the pizza crust or not?
I always did. What about you?
Yeah.
Hannah, there's so
I
many kids.
I don't like the garlic crust, but those crusts, the normal pizza crust, are the best.
And you
I
know,
like them.
this is really messed up, but I will tell you. During Ramzans, we would go to this very famous pizza place. It would be all you can eat for 250 or maybe 500 rupees. I don't remember. बहुत बढ़ गया over time, and now I think it's 1,000 or something. So what my friends would do, they would leave the crust and keep on eating, so they could have as many pizzas as they want. I know. Thank God you were not there in that generation. You guys are so
Yeah.
much better. At least you guys eat the crust. Because we don't like to waste, right?
What would you like to do in your spare time? Eat, sleep, or watch a movie?
Sleep and eat. Can I get 2 options, please?
Yeah, sure. I would like to eat and watch a movie.
Eat and watch a movie? Yeah. Yeah. Sleep and eat.
Sleeping,
I love to sleep.
kind of.
I love to sleep.
What has been the best surprise ever? Ever.
Oh, I got a really cute surprise. Alaya gave me a surprise on Mother's Day. So my sister and Alaya, they planned this whole thing. They got a cupcake and she decorated it for me. Yeah, and they were shooting it all. They were recording all of it for my YouTube channel. I thought that was really cute. Oh, she's just 3 years old.
She's 3 years old.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
I know.
Like,
And I'm going to show her this show of yours, you know. She's going to
Thank
learn a
you.
lot from you.
thank you. Yeah. If you could share a meal with any 2 individuals, who would it be?
If I could what?
If you could share a meal with 2 individuals, who would they be?
A meal. A meal with...
Any meal.
Okay. I don't mind. I have a big heart, by the way. I don't have issues. Until unless it's khawswe or biryani. Anything else I can share, but okay, fine. Of course, my daughter and my father. I can't say no to a lie, and I love my dad too much.
I would share a meal with my cousin and my brother, my cousin Soha and my brother Hassan.
Yeah.
I think because they have a very less appetite.
Yeah, so they won't eat much. That's very smart.
Get the rest. So,
That's-
but if it's khawswe, my brother I think will eat half of it, and my cousin Soha, she doesn't like khawswe. And if I'm sharing with my other cousin Suleiman, he will definitely eat the whole thing, and I won't have anything to eat.
So it's better not to share anything with Suleiman ever.
I guess not ever, but
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Do you hate or love roller coasters?
I used to love roller coasters, but now I'm very, very scared.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
I
super
am
scary.
very scared of roller coasters. So we went. Do you remember we went to in America for the awards?
Yeah. Yeah.
And after that we went to Disney.
Wow, you've been
Yeah.
to Disney.
So over there, my father took me on a roller coaster, and I was like, no, I'm not going. I'm too scared. No, I'm not going. And then he dragged me there, and I
Oh,
was
no.
like, oh my god, oh my god. And then we needed a fast pass, so that my dad stood in line to get a fast pass, and then we didn't get it in. I was like, yes, we're
Thank
not
God.
going. And then when my father took me back and we got the fast pass, and I was like, uh-oh.
Did you sit? Did you wait?
I apparently
Did you
had to
experience it?
because we had to go all through the line and everything,
my
and it was like
God.
this space mountain.
Was it easy? Was it scary or what?
It was all dark. My father was holding me from the back, and right after we got off the ride, I saw all his hands were red, just holding me,
Ah.
and I kept screaming and screaming and screaming. It was all dark, only stars, and it was
How scary.
a lot of fun.
How scary.
But then I learned from then on, guys, always face your fears, never be scared.
Man,
It's
you gotta
better
teach
to
me
say.
that. You gotta teach me that.
What's in your fridge right now?
Right now.
Right now.
Chocolates, juice, and lasagna.
If you had the world's attention for 30 seconds, what would you say?
Please live and let live. Peace. Like stop trolling, stop all the negativity, stop writing bad comments. Just, how about you just focus on your own life, right?
Right.
Yeah, it's very important. What do you think? How is it in school?
Kind of. Yeah.
Yeah, the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, they need to chill out. Tell them to chill out.
But if I had the world's attention for 30 seconds, I would rather say don't litter, live in peace, because
That's very important. That is great.
Yeah.
Have you been to the beach lately?
yeah,
It was really, it was
Yeah.
really messed up, right?
really messed up.
Yeah,
And
Don't
like
litter.
poor dogs were buried under litter.
yeah.
It's sad.
Very sad.
Okay, your proudest moment. Any proud moment? Like,
Yeah. So I've had quite a few. I mean, it's silly, it's stupid, but you know how parents are. When Alaya got into a school, like the same school as you, maybe she goes to the same school. Yeah. So it's a very good school, and you know, it was our very first
Yeah.
interview for Alaya. So when she cleared it, and when we saw her name, I felt so proud. I had tears in my eyes, and I was crying joy, tears of happiness. I was like, oh my God, she cleared! Wow, we cleared the interview. But I think we, as parents, we over exaggerate. But that was a very proud moment.
my proudest moment was when I won the elocution. I came first place ever. I have never come first place in my elocution. And I was so proud of myself that, oh God, I have achieved it. I kept practicing and practicing and practicing, and I finally achieved it for once.
Smart.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that was a lot of fun.
Wow, I'm proud of you. Now I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much, Sanam Auntie, for coming. I had a lot of fun, and I'm sure all my viewers did too. Till then, take good care and don't forget to subscribe to Social Superstar. And Sanam Auntie, before you leave, can you sign this for
Oh,
me?
how cool! Yes. That one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I had a great time, by the way. Yeah.
I did.
Send me the link because I have to show it to
Sure.
Alaya.
Sure.
No?
Thank you for coming. Well, I had one.
Can I get a cup of coffee? I mean, I
Yeah,
know this
sure.
is done. Let's go then. Come on.
Sure. But before that,
Yeah, what?
can we do the signature?
Yeah, sure. Tell me.
Social Superstar.